Simplify your bookkeeping by automating your coding of transactions in Ramp. It'll save you time and reduce manual error. Once your transactions have cleared, they'll appear in this Accounting tab. On the left-hand side, under the Accounting tab, you'll notice a couple of different tabs. The Card Transactions tab will show you all clear transactions that are ready to be coded and exported. The Reimbursements tab will show you all reimbursements that have been paid and are ready to be exported. The Bill Pay tab will show you all paid bills that you can also export out of Ramp. The Cash and Treasury tab will show you all things in relation to Ramp Treasury, such as withdrawals, deposits, and earnings. Lastly, this Payments tab should be used for reconciliation at the end of your statement period, with statement payments and cashback redemption listed. Now let's go to the Card Transactions tab here. To set up a rule in Ramp, you're going to have to first click on the drop-down under Accounting category to select your Chart of Accounts code. Here, you could type to search. Once you've found the code you want to select, you'll notice a yellow lightning bolt pop up on the right, and in order to create a rule, you can go ahead and click on that. Next, click on Show More Options so you can see all the rules available on Ramp. Rules are meant to speed up your entire coding process. Let's start with the Merchant rule. You can create a merchant rule to automatically code all transactions from a vendor to the selected GL below. This rule is great when you know the transaction for the merchant will always be coded the same way all the time. Then you could create a category rule. Category rules are broader and based on Visa's MCC codes, which reflect how merchants register with Visa. They're ideal for categories like restaurants and SaaS and software. As we go down this list, it gets a bit more granular. When it comes to department and location rules, they are based on the user and ideal for granular department or location-specific coding. Lastly, we have the Card rule, which is the strongest rule and will override all the rules above. Card rules automatically code all transactions made on a specific card, which is ideal for vendor-specific cards. These rules apply coding automatically to future transactions, helping you close your books faster. Additionally, if employees are responsible for coding, these rules reduce the risk of user error since they will automatically apply. For today's example, we'll create a category rule for SaaS and software. Once I click Create Rule, it'll take a few moments for the rule to apply, and you'll notice all my SaaS and software transactions will get coded with dues and subscriptions automatically. Rules can be changed, deleted, and edited at any time. Simply click on the drop-down to change the rule. You can delete the rule here or set up new ones this way. You can also create rules for all fields that you've added to Ramp. So you could create it for location as well as vendor. Save time by closing your books faster and reduce user error by automating your expense coding.